Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce Miss Nalini Natwarlal, whom I have interviewed in my talk show. And she was so cheerful and charming while interacting with me. She is the director of Niels Consultancy, and she is from Singapore. One-stop corporate services specialist she is. And I'm not going to talk about her professional career. I'm going to talk about her passion. She is so passionate about helping the women, especially in career building. And that is the reason why she always displays her phone number. Yesterday also I asked. Then she said that I am displaying my phone number so that I can reach out to the women, and I can, whosoever wants any help, any assistance, any support in establishing herself, Madam Nalini Natwarlal is there to help her. And this is really shows her passion for the women empowerment. She herself is an empowered woman. And furthermore, she is going to tell her about herself and about her female role models and about female leadership. So thank you very much, Nalini ji, and congratulations on being selected as Women of Substance by ACE International Singapore and by EduFam International India. Thank you very much. Now over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Halima, Dr. Ram, and all the speakers who are here today. And I really appreciate the award that you have given me today. And it is not easy to take out the time to all the ladies here to be here today. And you should pat on your shoulder that you got this award, that you deserve this award. So basically, I always say that, behind every successful man, there is a woman involved. Yeah, hello. Yeah, behind every successful man, there is a woman. But what about the woman? Who is behind her? Behind her are her sacrifices and her commitments that she has gone through to be a successful woman. And basically, how do the topic that is given to me is, of course, the management. How do you manage leadership? And leadership is not only personal, but it is also in business. Women, like in today's trend, you can't say that, okay, you are a housewife. Even housewives today, we are inborn leaders. Women are inborn leaders. The moment they are born, the leadership is already in them. They are managing so many things. They are wearing different hats. And I would like to share that for every woman, what is important is do not stop learning. Keep upgrading your skills. Keep upgrading. I started off as of course, a working career woman, and then for a short while I became a housewife, and then some things happened, and I was just pushed into becoming a career woman again. And I added on all these services slowly over the years until it became a one-stop service. Now, how does that happen? It doesn't happen overnight. Everyone who has reached at a certain level has begun from somewhere that they were. That means nobody becomes a CEO of the company or a leader of the company in just overnight. They have to work towards it. And how it happens is you have to upgrade your skills every moment. Start learning, keep learning. When you keep learning, you add values to yourself, not only professionally, but to yourself as your personal growth. You should have the fire in you to learn and grow and make yourself independent, so that in any circumstances, in any challenges that you face in life, you are able to handle confidently. Okay, so this is, I'm not telling you just as a lecture or what, but this is my personal experience. I have faced a lot of challenges in life, and as the challenges in me, it just was thrown to me. I realized that when you don't give up, you become stronger and stronger and stronger each day. The challenges in life makes you stronger. So be the driver of your life. Okay, when you drive a car, you're holding a steering wheel, and you only can go to the direction where you move the steering wheel. So this is what I feel, that you be the driver of your life, you hold the steering wheel in your life as a driver, and that will lead you to success. And when the steering wheel is in your hand, you manage your leadership quality automatically. You manage your team, you manage your life, you manage your family, you manage your personal growth. So this is my message to all the women. A lot of times women are not respected. There are a lot of abuses that are going on, and they suffer in silence, and they don't have anyone to approach to. So I strongly recommend that only a woman can understand a woman. So go and seek for help. Okay, go and seek for advice. Okay, you will definitely get, and that is where we have to stop women from suffering. So my message to all women out there, that congratulations to all of you that you're a woman. Be proud that you're a woman. And I'll not take much of the time because a lot of you have said superb things, and really, really very good things, and superb speakers, superb experience. This is your experience that is talking, and today you really need to pat your shoulder and say, yes, I'm here today. I'm a woman. I'm proud to be a woman. And I want to wish everybody a special woman day, because like someone said just now, every day is a woman's day. Yes, we are special, and we should be proud of ourselves, not curse ourselves. When we go through a problem, my advice to all the ladies is just keep calm. Okay, and solutions will always be there, and you will always go through that path very easily if you keep calm and just stick to your values. And I would stop here. I would not take much time because give the rest of them an opportunity. So all the best to all of you, and keep growing and working hard towards success. And all of you are leaders. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You are mute.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was really beautiful message for all of us.